Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your CapCut clips. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select one that we want to work on, and then in the bottom bar we find audio. This little button, and then again in the bottom we find effects. If we tap on effects, then here we can browse and find interesting effects, like a cute rock with I don't know what. We can just browse like this, or we can tap in this search bar and search for an exact kind of effect that we want to add. After we found one, we just tap on the effect, and then a plus icon is going to appear in the right side. After that, we tap on the plus icon, and the effect is going to be added to the clip. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.